Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master accounts, individual. Centrally, now centrally, this is already made for 0042. We'll copy it. Copy it to HR 57 80250 HR 57. HR code HR 57 not assigned to field status variant. Okay. Financial accounting, global setting, fields, field status variant, assign company code to field status variant, HR 57 0001 or AA42. AA42. Okay, let's go back. FS 00. HR 57. Okay, this is zero balance accounts. We will discuss zero balance later. Adjustment accounts, equity, HR 57, save. /O, SPRO, that creates a new session, new window. IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, profit center, assign default profit center to accounts. HR 57, we need entries over here so that when we enter entries in GL accounts, we can, okay, these are the accounts we have to make. 10101, 10101, HR 57, HR 57, 20,000 is made, 30201. HR 57, save 60,000. HR 57, save 6200. HR 57, 80250. This is already made. 8300. HR 57, 8330. HR 57, save. Okay, Control Y, copy. Assign profit center to accounts, HR57, new entries, save, save, this is saved, okay. Okay, now let's do one thing, let's test it. Financial accounting, GL, document entry, first entry, copy, paste, 200, HR57, expense to cash, 30201, debit, 200, 0101, credit, star, assignment field is used for reconciliation, enter, orange warning sign, press enter, it will go away. Okay, it says balance equals 0, which is debits and credits. Post. Okay, your document was posted 108, but this is T55. Oh, okay. Pre-code HR57. $200, 0101, credit star. In company code number range is missing for year. Okay, details. Continue without specifying. रख दो कुछ भी यार, आसान जगह कोई रख दो। 11/33/44 है 11/33/44 11/11 हाँ अच्छा फिजिकल ईयर AA42 HR57 save execute yes interval is added enter company code not assigned to country or calculation procedure. Okay, calculation procedure. Calculation procedure is not here, but financial accounting. Assign country. Check calculation, assign country to calculation procedure. Okay. Position SAR. SA Saudi Arabia, PK tax. Save. Save. Okay. FB50. Two zero two zero one debit 200 0101 credit star, enter, 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 tolerance range. Okay, define tolerance. This is for employee limits for entries. Continue. Tolerance for employees. New entries. Group HR57. Percent discount per line item. Amount per open item account. Save. Save. Enter. 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 Okay. Now let's post it. Enter. Customizing entries are not okay. This is the T code. Okay, it says this T code is to be used. So we'll go to this from here. Okay, accounting principle assigned. Page 01. HR 57. हाँ हो गया ठीक है गुड हो गया okay let's go to
इसका नाम है चौधरी नेट चौधरी नेट आफ्टर डबल
uh, company code HR 57 execute correct customer for ledger for the universal general version 0 of CO is not assigned to any ledger okay okay वो मैं जैस कैश
अंकल वो मम्मा कह रही है उसको डबल फाइल डबल नहीं नाम करें उसका नहीं उसे नहीं कनेक्ट होगा वो सही हो सकता है
Okay, so where were we? Okay, yes. Financial accounting, global setting, ledger, integration controlling, define ledger for CO version, new entries, HR 57, 0, ledger 0L, save. Okay, so we have three kinds of valuations: legal, group, and profit center valuation. Okay, so version 0 is to capture plan and actual values. Okay, plan values for forecasting, actual to capture what has incurred in expenses in cost for product costing. Okay, save. This is saved. So let's go back. One zero one, debit, credit, 200. Enter, enter, post, enter. Okay, your document was first document is posted.